Next, with the Too Faced Better Than Sex liner, I'm adding an inner wing and then slowly lining my upper lash line using little tiny strokes, making the line thinner towards the inner corner and gradually making it a little bit thicker towards the outer corner. Then cleaning up any uneven edges on the top edge of the liner and then sketching the wing using a light hand and then drawing the bottom portion of the wing, following the upper slope of the lower lash line, filling in with the triangle, and then I made a little mistake on the tips. I'm using some concealer and an e.l.f. concealer brush to clean that up, filling my lashes, and then going in with the new Too Faced Naturally Better Than Sex mascara on the upper and lower lashes, and then gluing on the lower lashes understated and then trimmed down and applied to the underside of my lashes, and that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Starting with a light purple in the crease in the corner and lower lash line, and then dip with this gray shade, adding some to the lower lash line as well, a shimmering purple on the lid, adding a shimmering black on the outer lash line with the upper and lower lash line, and cleaning up the adding some liner and glitter, and that's it. Thanks for watching.